Okay, hello everybody. 안녕하세요. It's Tuesday 1:30, so it's hard to really make this time and come all the way to Ewha. But thank you so much for making it. 저희가 제 영어, 한국어를 둘 다 해야 될 것 같아요. 저희 1시 반에 이렇게 좀 시작하는데 조금 시간이 주중엔 쉽지 않은데 이거까지 오셔가지고 너무 일단 감사드리고 저희 이제 비드위크 시작이기 때문에 좀 정신없게 왔다 갔다 할 것 같습니다. 일단은 날씨도 좋고 네, 와주셔서 너무 감사드리고 Yeah, thank you so much for making the time. And this is the third SheFi Seoul Summit in South Korea, hosting at Ewha Womans University with the Ewha Chain girls today. Let me do a quick intro of myself and also about the SheFi movement. A little bit about me. My name is Erica Kang. I've been in crypto way too long at this point, 2017. Started Middle Asia in 2018, so this has been a long time coming. I started a lot of things. Started like the Middle Asia brand, Crypto Seoul, Hack Atom Seoul, ETH Seoul, bit of Vietnam. So I have my own conference brand as well as a community building brand starting in Seoul. Now I'm pretty global. So I do events in Lisbon, New York, SF, all over the world. And right now I'm based in San Francisco. So it's definitely a global movement. The mission is to connect founders and builders around a lot of my quality events. It's pretty straightforward, but this is kind of what I've been doing for the past 8 years now. It's a lot of things. In Korea, Vietnam, a lot of builder events, technical events as well, Biddle Europe. So I started Biddle Europe in 24, last year. So this is the second one this year. I just hosted in January in Lisbon. It was great. Evan was in the first Biddle Europe in Lisbon, I remember. Starting movements in Lisbon, connecting Asia, Europe, and US. That's kind of my main point, my thesis as well. And thankfully, it's been going really well. And SheFi Seoul Summit, it's happened literally here in Ewha Womans University. This is the third time here, so we had 2 iterations of SheFi, and it went super well. This year's has a stronger lineup as well, amazing people. Yeah, I'm trying to connect a lot of the women, not distinguishing women, but trying to empower women through SheFi Seoul Summit as well, along with Middle Asia during this week. Let's introduce some of the SheFi movement, going through some basic things taught by Maggie Love herself. So SheFi is basically a community built by Maggie Love, and I'm kind of her avatar in Seoul. I'm trying to help her movement by hosting events in Seoul. And I'm the Seoul chapter lead. And let's just kind of go through what she believes in and SheFi believes in. So we think that we don't need any curated community education for women and non-binary folks, but that's kind of wrong because usually what we have is this and this. No offense to men, but it's all very male-dominated and very uncomfortable for women. So we want a comfortable space that we can discuss all our insecurities, anxieties, concerns, all these things with a very comfortable setting. So that's how we came about with SheFi, and empowers professional women and non-binary folks to seed in frontier industries. So SheFi does a lot of education, experimentation, community building. So right now, this is based on 2024, but now it has so much more in the making right now. It's doing a lot of courses online, so you can actually enroll in SheFi through a global program. So from Seoul, you can also be a cohort of SheFi and attend the SheFi Summits. So this is the one in Seoul right now. There's more in the making all over the world, career support. And then, a lot of the women, we can rely on each other, talk to each other, get advice. Because I used to get a lot of advice questions from women. And so I want to make this SheFi Seoul Summit happen because I've been getting a lot of requests to give some advice, suggestions, whatnot, recommendations. So kind of basically, SheFi is the MBA for crypto. That's to say, a good career guiding program. and demos, peer support. Yeah, so it's like a single launch pad for women to enter crypto, basically, because crypto is very hard to enter, and it's a very high bar, let's just say, emotionally and career-wise. So it gives a really nice intro to go into crypto. Actually, I just opened a co-working space in Lisbon called The Nest. 제가 그 리스본에 지금 살다가 왔는데 거기서 이제 더 네스트라고 코워킹 스페이스를 지금 만들었는데 그래서 SheFi 그 프로그램 들은 친구를 고용을 했어요. 그래서 저희 그 오피스 매니저로 고용을 해가지고 그 포르투갈 친구인데 그래서 아주 활동을 잘하고 있답니다. 그래서 행사도 주최하고 거기서 커뮤니티 빌딩도 하고 있어서. Yeah, so like I just said in Korean, I just hired a Gisela who's in the Nest. She's a local Portuguese, but she's also cohort of the recent SheFi program. And so I hired her because she has enthusiasm for community events and learning from other good builders. So it really turned out well. And so she's really thriving in Lisbon right now. And this is great. Some of the program, you can check out the SheFi website as well if you don't have much time. Yeah. Ape traditional approach is this, and the SheFi approach is kind of interdependent. We're doing a lot of like questions and answering, and being aware of the risks that might involve with crypto. So very educational, inspirational, and these are the numbers. A lot of numbers. This is only 2024, so we can imagine what it has done in the past 2 years. In 2026, it's exploding right now. So yeah, doing super great. Previous sponsors. Yeah, some of the activations there. And then Seoul Summit, today we have quite a lineup, which I'll get to it right now. Amazing talks, and this is our lineup for today. I think like mingling within us would also be amazing because amazing women that are like leading the frontier in AI, Web3, emerging tech. So I think it's a great group that we gathered together. Yeah, and let's build together and let's enjoy the conference. And let me introduce the first speaker. Jimmy, are you ready? She's from Google. She'll be explaining Google Cloud's vision for Web3 and AI synergy. All right, thank you.